We're at Hereford Hops Brewpub in Escanaba, Michigan. My name is Mike Sadam, and I am the head brewer. Well, Hereford Hops has been a staple here on the Ludington Street, one of the biggest buildings on here. We've had people from all around the world stop, and they still do. It's like a corner bar, almost like Cheers here. I started at this location on the construction phase. Get trained in Wausau, learn how to brew, our brewmaster there, and then I took over brewing here. When we were opened in '94, opening weekend, we went through 7 full barrels, 14 half barrels, and 2 nights of whitetail ale, so we had to buy a bigger tank. Third one in the state. We were the only one open at that time, so people were coming from everywhere.
The original inspiration for the name was the fact that my parents had a Hereford farm. We had about 100 head. We fought over names for months. Hereford Hops seemed to keep rising to the surface. It made sense, steak and beer. And that summed up the whole business. I mean, that's what we were. We were a steakhouse and a brew pub. When we originally opened, we had 2 charcoal grills for doing the steaks. As time went by, the big grill was pretty much enough to do the grill your own steaks. We decided to turn that second grill into a flat top and do a Mongolian style barbecue, which is basically a build your own stir fry. It was extremely popular right out the gate and still is to this day. I eat it at least 3 times a week.